everyone. Welcome to Action English Academy, where you learn English by seeing actions. Have you ever met someone who never says no? Someone who always agrees even when they don't want to? In English, there are several words for this kind of personality. In this lesson, you will learn 9 powerful English words that describe people who are easily controlled by others. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and learn how to use them in real life. Let's begin. First word is henpecked. Henpecked means someone who is controlled or dominated by their partner. For example, his partner tells him what to do, and he always obeys without arguing. That's henpecked behavior. Repeat after me. Henpecked. His partner tells him what to do, and he always obeys without arguing. Now watch the action.
The list is on the table. Get it done now.
Next word is submissive. Submissive means someone who obeys others easily and avoids standing up for themselves. For example, he agrees with everything she says, even when he doesn't want to. Repeat after me. Submissive. He agrees with everything she says, even when he doesn't want to. Now watch the action.
Okay, so this is the plan. We start with this part here.
It'll be great, trust me.
Everything is covered, see? So, we're in agreement?
Next word is spineless. Spineless means someone who has no courage to stand up for themselves. For example, he stays silent even when someone treats him badly. That's spineless behavior. Repeat after me. Spineless. He stays silent even when someone treats him badly. Now watch the action.
This is unacceptable! Look at me! Give me that! You're useless! Pathetic. I'm done with you.
Next word is docile. Docile means someone who is quiet, obedient, and easy to control. For example, he always follows orders without questioning anything. That's docile behavior. Repeat after me. Docile. He always follows orders without questioning anything. Now watch the action.
First, sort the invoices on the left, then file the reports on the right, and keep the desk tidy as you go. Good. Now check the schedule.
Next word is meek. Meek means someone who is very quiet, gentle, and lacks confidence. For example, he speaks very softly and never shares his opinion. That's meek behavior. Repeat after me. Meek. He speaks very softly and never shares his opinion. Now watch the action.
I believe this is the best approach.
Yes, I agree completely.
What do you think? I think it's okay.
So, we're in agreement then.
Great, let's move forward.
Next word is pushover. Pushover means someone who is easily controlled or taken advantage of. For example, people always make him do their work because he never says no. That's a pushover. Repeat after me. Pushover. People always make him do their work because he never says no. Now watch the action.
Hey, finish these reports for me.
And these files too. Thanks!
Oh, okay, no problem.
Next word is doormat. Doormat means someone who lets others treat them badly without complaining. For example, they insult him, but he never defends himself. That's being a doormat. Repeat after me. Doormat. They insult him, but he never defends himself. Now watch the action.
Hey, nice doormat! Perfect for wiping our feet. Yeah, you're like a real doormat, huh? Too scared to even speak up. Pathetic.
Next word is whipped. Whipped is slang for someone who is completely controlled by their partner. For example, he cancels all his plans whenever his partner tells him to. That's being whipped. Repeat after me. Whipped. He cancels all his plans whenever his partner tells him to. Now watch the action.
Okay, this spot looks perfect.
Yes, I'm so in.
Sorry, I have to go. Now. Yeah, sorry, I'll text you later.
Last phrase is under her thumb. Under her thumb means someone who is completely controlled by a woman. For example, he asks her permission for everything, even small decisions. He is under her thumb. Repeat after me. Under her thumb, me? He asks her permission for everything, even small decisions. Now watch the action.
Baby, can I go meet my friends this evening? Thank you! Should I take the keys too?
I hope you enjoyed learning these personality words. Now you know how to describe someone who is submissive, weak, or easily controlled. Try to use these words in your own sentences, and don't forget to repeat them to improve your pronunciation. If you want to learn more English words with actions, subscribe to Learn English with Actions. See you in the next lesson. Bye!